Good day to everyone. Today I am going to talk about reverse engineering. What is reverse engineering? First of all, I will tell you the reverse engineering means for if you are having one product, final product, right? From the final product, you are dismantling. You are going to dismantle the product or deconstruct the product, and you will study the internal components and internal circuit diagrams, right? And after that you are studying the operation of the circuit diagram and everything. So you are from starting from the final product and dismantling and studying the decoding the circuit and what are the components that has been used in the circuit diagram. Likewise, you are studying and you are learning from the final product in a reverse basis. This is called a reverse engineering. For the best example, I will tell you in current, with a daily life example. If you are going for a cup of coffee to a coffee shop and you are having the coffee, and if you like the coffee, you would ask with the server that what kind of coffee it is, what kind of a coffee powder you have used, and what are the ingredients and what are the ingredient quantity. Likewise, you will be asking many kind of questions. But you are having the final cup of coffee. Actually, you are not concerned about the other ingredients and all. But you are finally you will be having a cup of coffee you are taking. So once you like that, you will ask the several types of questions, right? So same like from the final product is coffee. From the final product, you are analyzing. So since you are liking this coffee, you are analyzing the ingredients and ingredient quantity and how this coffee is made up of, like that. Several questions you are asking, right? So from the final to, you are in a reverse order you are asking, right? Same thing in engineering also. We usually what we will do to make the final product, in the sense we used to design a circuit, and after the designing we will use the appropriate components in the circuit to make the circuit in a proper functioning. So this is the usual thing. So after, if it is if the circuit is okay, if the circuit is okay, we will make it as a product finally. This is usually we are doing. But this reverse engineering is just, in the name itself it is called as a reverse engineering. It is just reverse to the actual process. From the final product, you are dismantling or deconstructing the product. You open up everything and you will you will decode the circuits and components and their functions. And finally, you can understand how this final product is working. Like, so this is called a reverse engineering. So why we should have a focus on this reverse engineering is, that's a very important thing, because especially for the engineering students, the reverse engineering will be very useful. For example, if you as a class teacher, if I teach something in a regular basis means going to the class and drawing the circuit diagram and explaining the function, and this is the output, like that, etc. So and so. This is the usual manner. If you teach the subject like this, the people, the students will not get attracted to the class. This is the obviously happening in every classroom. So to break this kind of teaching learning process, this reverse engineering will be what will give the students to very interest towards the topic. Because from the final product, if you are given with the final product, they are going to dismantle and they open the component. Open the outer shield, and they will study every components inside the circuit diagram, and they will understand the functions. So likewise, if they study like this, they can get the interest, they can get what curiosity to know about the circuit and the concepts, everything, and components, everything. So if you teach like this, if the students are learn like this, right, automatically that will create the interest toward the subject, and also this interest will create the innovation to the student. This will trigger the innovation to the students. So automatically, right, they will excel in the particular domain.